The carburetor works with a simple principle. The principle is the Bernoulli principle. The Bernoulli principle states that a fluid in a pipe, if you reduce the diameter suddenly, the speed of the fluid in this narrow area increase because the pressure decrease. This is a misconception. The people think that in this narrow area the pressure increase. No, the pressure decrease. Yes, my friend. In that narrow area, the pressure decrease and the speed of the fluid increase dramatically. This is basically the carburetor. The carburetor have a fuel. The fuel is on the tank, on the fuel tank. On the fuel tank we have the fuel, and the fuel enter over there. The fuel enter over there, and the fuel enter in this compartment where the flow switch is located. Only if this valve, the needle valve, is open. If the float is in this position, the needle valve is down. If the float is like this, the needle valve closed. Yes, depending on the position of the float, the needle valve open or close, and fuel enter in this compartment. And now you have the level of this compartment here. This is important. Calibrate the float in order to keep the level of this compartment. And when the air enter at high speed over there, when the air pass over there, the pressure in the middle of this element is reduced, and suction the fuel, and the fuel enter over there, and enter mixed with the gasoline at high speed. And this is basically the intake manifold. This is the intake manifold. And correct. And after that, enter. If the intake valve is open, the fuel enter over there in the combustion chamber.